So moving on, let's go into health, which is a very important part because it was described as health and wellness was described as one of the 6 pillars of budget 2021. So again, the highlight was that 35,000 crores were allocated towards COVID-19 vaccine, and overall budget allocated was to 2,23,846 for 2021-2022 budget. So I would like to go into a little more detail into this area because again it impacts the whole country, and we talked about the importance of health insurance and the overall industry also since the COVID-19 pandemic began. So if you guys can go into a little more detail into that.
Yes, Rene. So as you rightly said, yes, I think post-COVID, health sector has been given much importance. If you see the budget also, the first pillar in the budget is on the health sector and well-being, they are saying. So what do you mean by this? I mean, what the changes has come now from the previous budget? If you see that, I think we have to accept one point right now here, which is that, I mean, not only the Indian government, but many nations across the globe has learned a very good lesson because of the COVID. So pre-COVID, there is no much importance by the health sector. So only the developed countries used to have much R&D on the health sector, and much less focus was given by the developing countries like India. I mean, with respect to the infrastructure in the health sector. But if you see after the post-COVID scenario, I think every nation has woken up like anything, and they are spending more on the health sector. No, why this is happening? So the major problem here is nobody knows like what happens if a pandemic like this comes into suddenly comes into it. So the entire medical system will collapse and people will go into chaos, which has happened, I mean, across many nations now. So if you see, I mean, the government's spending in the last year, I can say that there was 250% increase in the spending in the health sector. So last time, I think they said 95,000 crores was spent towards the health sector. But if you see the number now, I think this really, we can say a good number, and also like government is much focusing on the health sector as important to the economy also. So how the government has to focus on the increase in the boost in the economy, it should also ensure that the health system in the country is also boosted. So I think the government has woken up. I mean, not only Indian governments, but across the nations, across the globe, all the nations have woken up. So if you see the budget spending now, it has increased by 2.5 times. So last time it was 95,000 crores. Now it comes to somewhere around, they are saying we are going to spend 2.5 lakh crores. You see the change here from 1995 to 2.5 lakh crores. It's a significant increase. Now, and on top of it, again, as you mentioned in the beginning of the session itself, they are also coming with a vaccine program, which they are going to incur again additional 35,000 crores. So this shows that the interest of the government towards building the health sector, which is not there in the last time, like pre-COVID sessions and all. So this is really a positive note, which throws some we have to give importance to the not only as a person we have to give importance to the health, but as a nation also. The countries has to give important more on the health sector.